Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make paper bags. So let's get started. So here I have one paper bag, one paper. So I am going to take any we can say any like a box like unpasted or whatever. I don't know the word used for that. So here it is. I'm just gonna, unstick everything and it's gonna make a frame for us or an outline enable things. Yeah, like when like here it is, and it is unpasted. So we have something like this here. So we're gonna trace that out. Okay, so I'm gonna trace it. Let me get out my pen. Here it is. Yeah. So I'm gonna trace it, trace. What happened? Oh, it didn't work. The other one. Now we're gonna trace. Okay. Now it's tracing time. Okay. Well, I have made like actually my birthday's coming up, so I have made like for each of my friends like to put some, thingies like little candies for school. Like we give return gifts such as candies in school, like any small eatables, so which we can eat during our lunch break. So yeah, for that I made like I had some little hearts, so I am making that. Okay, so yeah, still doing the tracing work. I hate tracing. Trace. Oh my god, lots of tracing work to do. And we're almost done, just one flap left. Here, some problems. Facing some problems here. And done. So we'll get something like this. Now I am gonna take a ruler and then mark all the foldings, like on the side where we're gonna fold. Here I marked one. And then where else? Then let's mark here where, like the lid will be there. Like, so I'm gonna trace different places. Okay, tracing, trace. Tracing all the time. Pause the tracing and back to work. Bored. Now what we are gonna do is that we're gonna trace. Tracing work. I'm gonna trace. Bored. Not the tracing. It is like marking the folds. Yeah, so we're gonna, mark the folds. Bored. So yeah, let us just mark it here and there. Maybe you're unable to see it. I just love to dancing all the time. Okay, here, and just put the ruler properly and done. Kind of, maybe. Some more places to mark. Here. Okay, maybe this is the last one. Where else? Oh, yeah, here. bored a lot. That is why I'm making this video. Maybe after 1 or 2 months, or maybe longer. So actually, I was busy in my exams. We went like for vacations, and sorry I didn't make a video for that. And oh, we're done. Yeah, so this is how it will look like. Maybe your box will be different or bigger. It can be bigger or different. Yeah, so now we are going to, look what we're gonna do. Oh, why did I take out the other sheet? Oh, we don't need it, yeah. Get it back, and now I'm gonna show a mystery drawing. Actually, it is a mystery for you, but not for me. Maybe I've already got what I'm drawing. It's just some bad drawing. So, we are going... Oh, I have made something good here. As you can see, we have some this work to do. What work? Cut work to do. We're gonna cut. Okay, so cut it now. We have to cut it. Okay, get it? We have to cut it. I'm gonna cut. No. The paper will be cut. And pick up the paper, and cut. As there was a lot of cutting to do, I picked it up. No, picked it up. So now, we are just going to cut it properly. And then see the magic. Okay. Cut. Oh, cut. Okay. Some cutting here. Some cutting there, and just the beginning. Actually, what the heck? Okay, almost done. Yeah. Again, pick the paper up. You're unable to see it again, and almost done. Yay! Almost done. Almost done, maybe, almost done, maybe, almost done. Okay, now. Yeah, cutting. Why am I saying maybe almost done? Oh, almost done, and we are, some of it's left. Yeah. Okay, again, cut, and almost cut. It is almost cut. Oh, yeah. And done. I'm taking a lot of time, Be done by now. You must be auto cut. Is that even a thing? Okay, so we're done. And we're almost done. Oh, something else is left? Excuse me, nothing was left here. Yeah, nothing was left. Bored. Oh, yeah, I forgot to mark that area. Oh, yeah. So, again, I'm gonna cut, and it's taking a lot of time. And we're done. Good job to me. Okay. So now we are going to fold all the edges. Oh, one thing left. We have to cut like those 4 flaps, 2 at the bottom, 2 at the top. Look. Here, I'm gonna just show it to you. And we are just 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay, so we're done. Now see this flap, these two, and these two. Yeah. So now we're gonna fold like all the lines we made. Like this. I'm folding it. Okay. You have to fold this and then those two flaps. Takes a lot of time. Actually, it will take you like 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes. 10 to 20 minutes to make it. So, nothing too problematic. 10 to 20 minutes are enough to make it. But if you want to be more precise or more slow or more, like decorative, then you can take a lot more time. Like even 1 hour can be taken. Okay, so yeah, we are almost done. Like here I have this, and we're gonna fold it like that. Like those lines, again, I'm showing you. Like I folded that line and that line. Okay, that side is left. This. Okay, the bottom, maybe the top, whatever. Now I'm folding that line, which was, here. Lot of time. Yeah. Done. We must be done by now. Oh my God, we're taking a lot of time. Please be done by now. Because it's for the first. Why am I singing this song while folding? And that side is left a little bit. This much and that much, and another fold. And the last fold, and then maybe we're done. Maybe we have more folds. I don't know. Yeah, so now we have this thing done. Now I need the glue. Now where is? Yeah. Oh, we need the glue. Now where is it? Oh, yeah, it can't come out. And I'm gonna just open it. And we need a pencil, maybe. Where's my pencil? There it is. We got it. Oh my God. Still? Oh, look. So now I'll put the pencil again and throw it away. Oh, okay, now it finally comes out with the safety pin. I did it. Now we are gonna paste it like here to here. Okay. Yeah, so here we are. Now paste it, and then you know how to close it. Then we're going to do this. Okay. Here we are, almost done. By pasting. We are now going to, like I am folding properly, folding now and pasting. Okay. Folding and pasting. Okay. So now, and we are now, yeah, we've done that. And now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to fold it like this. I am going to put some glue over here, here, like a little bit, just a little bit. And here a little bit, and now we're just gonna simply, close it. My big fingers, oh my god, they're blocking the way, and my camera is put so, downwards. So, yeah, now I'm going to push it inside, and we're going to, like press all those glued parts. And now I have a label known as little hearts, and I'm going to paste it. Okay, we are going to paste it. Here is my glue. Yeah, almost done, and we are going to paste it just on top of it, like this. Okay. Press it nicely, not too harsh with it. Okay, so we are done with the label. Okay? So now I have some hearts, as known as the little hearts. I'm just gonna put it inside. Yeah. Inside. Done with it almost, and we have put those hearts. They're all inside, and I'm just gonna, put the flap on, and we are done. So let's see the results. Here we are in 3, 2, and 1, go. Okay guys, see you soon. Kindly like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. So bye bye.